And in this video I'll show you how to sign up into Coin Master game. For that, let's just open our game, and now you need to wait for a few seconds and it will send you some prompt, and you can read all of these, and you need to make sure that you need to at least be 18 years, or you cannot be playing this game if you are minor. And after reading all of this, tap on confirm button, and it will ask you to track your activities. Tap on allow button and if you don't want them to track you, tap on ask not to track button. And now you need to sign in with your Apple or your Facebook, and you can also play this game as a guest, but to sign in you need to select one of these and then tap on continue button, and tap on continue as your Facebook ID name, and again tap on it, and that is how you can sign up into your. And again they will ask you for some notification permission, and that is how you can sign up into your Coin Master game. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.